What's up YouTube, this is CobaltJustice bringing you another part of the Titanfall campaign. This time I'm going to be doing Mission 5. Enjoy.
Damage assessment complete. Flagship IMC Sentinel. Damage report. During the Battle of Angel City, the Sentinel took critical internal damage from militia fighter craft. The aft stabilizer was rendered inoperative. Vice Admiral, I recommend 3 days in repairs.
There's a purpose to their sacrifice.
What? To show how desperate they are?
They were. A few weeks ago, I'd accept that. But with McCallum calling the shots, I think he wants to move the Sentinel out of his way. You've got to see the whole board, Blisk.
The nearest dry dock large enough to house the Sentinel is on Outpost 207.
Spyglass. Divert the destroyer to cover the Sentinel's patrol route until the repairs are complete. Activate all orbital cannons on the deck, and deploy pilots to the outpost, just in case.
There's a militia ship coming into our airspace, sir!
The militia's never been desperate enough to attack us here. So they want to get rid of the Sentinel that bad, eh? Doesn't matter. We're ready for them. Spyglass, get our pilots to the outpost.
Jumping in now, Vice Admiral.
Blisk, charge the cannons. There's the target. Firing now.
All outpost personnel. Railgun failsafes have been disabled. Use caution.
Sir, that ship. It had no life signs, no shields. Of course, it's a decoy.
The militia just landed on Outpost 210. Outpost 197 here. We're under attack.
Sir, if they control the cannon array, the Sentinel's got no chance.
Pilots, this will be a battle of attrition. Clear the outpost of all militias.
They're inside! Fire control!
Blisk, what the hell is going on down there? We're being targeted by our own gun. Vice Admiral Graves, use the outpost cannon array. It's being bypassed remotely.
They're going to use the outpost cannon to destroy the Sentinel. Move us out of here.
Personnel.
No time, sir.
Clear the cannon building.
All hands, brace for impact.
Sentinel is down 25%.
Damn. Spyglass, ground status.
Pilots have lost control of the outposts. The Sentinel is being targeted.
Sentinel crew, brace for impact!
Shut down.
Sighted online. Signal when ready. Command on it. Stand by for Titanfall.
Lewis, how are we holding up?
Shields are at 50%. Sir, they're targeting the Sentinel again.
All hands, brace for impact!
Clear the cannon building.
We've got fires on decks 25 through 29.
Fire control Marvins have been dispatched.
Pilots, we're taking some huge shots up here. Get focused and clear the outposts.
Sir, hull shielding reduced by 75%. The cannon array is targeting the Sentinel again.
Double decks, get to your lifeboats. All hands, brace for impact.
Railgun failsafe have been disabled. Use
Our shields are almost gone, sir. We can't take another shot like that.
Pilots, I need your best right now. You will give me a chance to land this ship.
Be advised, we are losing the battle and there's not much time left. Defeat is imminent.
Vice Admiral, militia forces have taken the outposts.
The Sentinel can't survive another shot, sir.
All hands, get to the lifeboats. Go! Deploy all lifeboats.
Sir, are you there? Sir, do you read me?
Copy that, I'm clear.
Vice Admiral Gray, the Sentinel is lost.
Spyglass, direct command personnel to IMC Colossus. Raise her designation to flagship of the fleet.
Yes, sir.
Chart a course for installation. Designate Boneyard.
Boneyard location is classified, sir.
Overriding my authorization. McAllen's man Barker knows the way. We're gonna beat him there. Attention all personnel. This is the 6.